Bonjour and bienvenue. Hello and welcome from Voyageurs National Park. I am Vic the Voyager, or as my friends call me, Big Vic. Have you ever experienced the beauty of the Northern Lights?
Oh my.
Voyageurs is the perfect place to view them, free of light pollution and man-made obstructions. Come with us on an Aurora tour to view the night skies. Humanity has pondered the stars and studied the sky since the dawn of civilization. Yet, since the invention of the light bulb, the illumination we have sent into the night sky is immeasurable. Here in Voyageurs National Park and the Gateway communities, we get to see a glimpse at the heavens unobstructed by human creations. There is virtually no light pollution in and around Voyageurs, and in fact, we have been recognized as a dark skies designated area, a designation that few places on the planet can have. Pictures or videos cannot do justice to seeing the lights for the first time. Voyageurs Outfitters can be your vehicle to a truly awe-inspiring night experience. Your adventure is out there!